You have a lot of data in B1, but still no information? You want to create your own reports without having any knowledge of programming? Then Coresuite Cube is the right solution for you. The Coresuite Cube is a self-explanatory reporting tool. The Cube is available in different editions: Finance Cube, Inventory Cube, Sales Cube, or all gathered as a bundle. Each cube has predefined reports which are shown in the overview. Beside of the predefined reports, you can operate your own reports ad hoc. Therefore, it is possible to gather the data from one or several SAP Business One databases to slice and dice the data as you wish. After you choose the cube you need, Microsoft Excel opens. When enabling the data content, all extracted data will be displayed. On the bottom, you have different data sheets. Each of them represents one report. By choosing the empty data sheet, you can create your own report. The pivot chart fields show all relevant data out of SAP Business One. Only by using drag and drop, you can create your own reports. No relevant data is needed at all. When you created your report, you can present it in Excel, in your internet browser, or as a PDF. By using a reporting application on your mobile device, you can also present it there. Also, you can create a shortcut in Business One to have access to your own created report in only a few seconds. If you have more questions about the Coresuite Cube, please contact sales@coresystems.ch.